Good morning guys. Today is March 29 and kami lang ni Holly. Ayun siya. Hi Holly, say hi. Say hi. Wave like this. Say hi. Ayun siya. Hi. Ayan. Alis kami ni Holly, punta kami ng Mount Gambier kasi mamimili kami for Easter. So yun. Right Holly, si John wala. Pumunta siya ng Geelong para kumuha siya bumili siya ng yung heater, yung wooden heater. So yun, baka ilalagay lang kasi winter na dito, malapit na, malamig na nga ngayon. Tapos yung mga bata, si Kuya tsaka si Zach nasa school, so kami lang ni Holly, right Holly? So it is a good to go shopping for Easter para hindi nila makita ko anong bibili namin, right? Say yes. Okay, see you there guys. Punta kami ng Big W or Kmart or Target, hindi ko pa alam, basta bala na. Mamaya na lang ulit. Dito na kami sa, yes baby, dito na kami sa Big W. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi guys. Hi. So maghanap tayo ng pajamas. Si Holly. Size 1. No yelling. No yelling. Ito. Here. One more. Say? Tayo sa mga panlalaking pantulog. Ito, kay Zach, kasi may siya sa Spider-Man. So, ito sa kanya, si Kuya. May nahanap lang ako para kay Kuya TJ. Ito siya. Car racing na pantulog. So, ayan. Ilalagay ko yan na pantulog nila sa sa Easter bag. Along with their Easter eggs. Okay, hiya, Holly. So, yan. Tapos na tayo sa pajamas. Now, we're gonna find chocolates, Holly. What's that? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So, maghanap tayo ng nila. Pang winter na medyas. Kasi yung mga medyas nila is ganito. Ganito. Maiksi. So, ngayon malamig na. So, they need long socks. Okay, here. One. We need black as well. Yeah. Yeah, this is for Kuya. Yeah. Say, what you gonna say? Huh? Say hi, guys. For you, Holly. This is for Holly. Did you get a say? lang ng bahay and na-pick up ko na yung mga bata. Wait, Holly, may ipapakita raw si Sak sa inyo kasi may ginawa siya sa school. Who did that?
All by myself. And look my egg, look.
Okay, is this for who?
You.
Oh, thank
Look
you.
at this.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
It's an Easter egg lighter.
Yes. Okay, what you gonna say to the people? Happy what?
Happy Easter time.
Happy Easter. Come on, Kaya. Say Happy Easter.
Happy
Easter. Ito si Mahiyain.
Mom,
Yes.
are the visitors coming?
I'm not sure. I haven't heard from them yet, so I'm not sure yet if they're coming or not. Okay, guys, I will end this vlog. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Say see ya.
Bye.
Flying kiss. Say I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys. Masyado nag-vlog. Pero nag-grocery kami ni Holly and then hindi rin ako nag-vlog kasi maraming tao. Right, Holly? So, pero nag-boomerang si Holly. So, ilagay ko na lang yung clip na yun dito. Right, Holly? Say, okay, happy Easter, guys. I think I will upload this video tonight kasi maiksi lang talaga siya. So, hindi siya masyadong mahaba. So, hope you like it kahit maiksi. Bye! Maglalaro sila sa labas.
Happy Easter time. Easter happy Easter, guys. Let's leave it all shut by itself. It was shut by itself.
Holly, come here. Give me your clip. Come here, Baba. I'm just gonna fix your hair. Come here, please.
Yeah, shut. No, leave.
Relax ka lang, Holly.
You go.
Hi, Kuya. Kuya, say hi.
Hi.
How old are you, Kuya?
6.
Say hi. Hi. Wow. Well done, Zach. Wow. Is it over the fence? Alaka. You're gonna lose all your balls again. Wow. It's done. No more. Well done. Practice first.
Dad, don't move.
Well done. Wow. Say hi. Hi.
Bye. Happy
Wow. Well done, Zach. Si Jen from, ano, Geelong.
Ah, look at my balls.
Yes.
Here's he.
How about you, Holly? Hi.
The time of practice break. I'm normal to how to use this.
You have two dogs.
Yes, nothing.
The red one.
What that one? Oh. I don't. You around here. Dad, practice break. Have a practice break. No, no.
Where's the heater, Bev?
Go get some tea.
Reunited na silang tatlo.
He has rubber too.
Get the red one, Baba.
Huh? Get your naughty.
Hey,
It's in my naughty bag.
You get out for the
It's in my
Yeah, get
bag. It's in my bag. Oh, I like my boat. Here's my shiny boat, Mom. Dad, over.
may dalang
Watch
balls
the
ang
ball.
daddy niya. Nice one.
Hey, Dad, is that holding that one? Is that this one over there? This one over there. Tita. Oh, what's this one? Oh, Mommy.
Yeah. Watch for Holly, okay?
Holly, look here. I can hit it.
Come on, Baba. Baba, here.
Hey.
Come
Look
here.
out, look out.
Can't say the hate of bag because it's wrapped up.
See?
Yes, you can, Kuya, without the
See?
tea.
I hear that drop that time. Nah.
Oi. Hang on, watch out down behind you.
That's why he's the biggest one.
Just hold it down a little bit. Hold it, Joe.
Uh-oh, Holly.
Back and swing first. Nice. Steady.
Come on, look this.
Come back this way a bit. Up. Look out.
Come on, look this. Wait.
Come around. Oh, come on, foot. Where's your foot? Go this way.
Okay.
Attack.
Get my iron.
That's it. Go inside.
I want to hit my iron.
It's getting cold.
Not far, but don't go too far back. Go back. Up there and stop. Round. Yeah, good ball, Jack. Right, put the balls away, go inside. I'll go
We're going inside now.
I want to punch you.
No, Holly's there. No, you don't punch like that, mate.
That's not your club.
Holly's there. Oi.
My club. This is my club.
Okay, let's go inside, boys. We're having tea.
I want my club.
Come on.
Come on.
That's for today. Ang ganda ng ano doon, no? Yung clouds, orange.